Banana blame Lemon. She did this.
Makes a lot
Yeah,
of
Blame
but
sense.
everyone and make that disgusting thing.
Banana just hates the best
Coffee.
things in life.
Banana Man likes
Huh?
taking
Coffee.
Banana Man likes taking a banana bath.
Ew.
Last time I tell you anything, Ace.
What is a banana
Can
bath?
you imagine bathing in mushy, watery banana?
Can you imagine?
This is the last thing I can tell you anything, Ace. Oh shit! I gotta fucking banana man. You know I gotta fuck with you. What are you guys doing this channel? Shit.
What's up, Ace?
What's up, XS?
Nothing much. Sorry, I'm not following you. I just gotta go over here.
Fuck is everyone? Random duck, random neutral. Shit. Goosling.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi, Ace.
Hello.
What up? What up?
What up? What up? Ember.
Alright, I found
I'm
Water
burped.
Lemon's body in Eastwind, and Water Lemon was the pigeon.
Oh.
Alright.
Well, I'm hiding in the. Where is the? I'm hiding in the toilet. But I'm engineer.
Oakley dokley.
I know I seen XS, and I just seen Ember
I
pass
seen
me when I
XS,
came up to Goosling in the kitchen.
I seen excess before.
I seen Banana Man too.
Well, when the game started, I saw excess.
I told Cammy my role.
Yeah.
I've seen Banana a couple of times. Where was the body?
Eastwind.
Eastwind.
I didn't.
What?
Well, shit.
Oh.
What the heck?
Oh God. Oh,
Banana.
Well, shit.
He did say.
Well, now I'm scared because
He
I
did say
did
a
tell.
Banana was in Eastwind.
Oh,
I am
I don't know
scared
who
that
the fuck
I
Oh,
might get
it's in
shot
this
because.
freaking dining room.
Oh. Okay.
What the heck?
Oh.
Yeah,
What?
I have my stuff right now.
I'm gonna ring a bell and get.
Oh, it's Cammy or a banana. It's Cammy or a banana man. Oh, who should I shoot? I don't think banana would kill Lamone.
Let's move him down.
Goosling that was there. Goosling, were you there when I told Cammy? Oh shit.
No.
Oh shit. Cammy, I told you my role.
I knew I had my stuff on Cammy. That's why I voted her. I was like, damn, it's either Cammy or Banana Man, but I got feelings it's Cammy. The Banana Man won't kill Lamone.
I told her my role, so I was like, I'm gonna get shot.
Oh shit.
Nice streak.
I stand by what I said.
Ooh.
If Sofa's not here, then Cammy's the bad one.
You eat so fast.
Between Cammy or XS. What up, Street? Alright, time to eat my last burger.
Oh, how many did you have?
Dude.
Okay.
Lemon is
Damn
still
it.
thinking about coffee.
I got a shitty roll. I picked random,
Oh.
got a shitty roll.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
You didn't pick
Moving
random.
away
I'm the
from
only fucking
bananas,
random.
are we?
No, I said I got a shitty roll.
What,
Hmm.
Falcon? Demo? Stuff in my face right now. I'm almost done my burger. On the AFK strat.
Ace, I'm Canadian.
I'm AFK right now because I'm eating my last burger right now.
Goosling, I'm
Okay.
Canadian.
Okay, nice.
Let's go. One candle, two candle, three candle. Oh shit. You just gave me the bomb. How dare you? Oh shit. It's not me. No, 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 no. You son of a fucker. I knew Ember's passing bombs. Oh, it's Cammy again.
Jump. No.
Come on.
Yeah, that was off.
Yes, excess.
That's what you
Get
get.
her.
What?
Oh.
Is she still alive? Why is it thinking?
Cammy. She gave me a bomb before I killed her.
Shit.
Okay.
She was demolitionist. And I am sheriff. And I think Exis is bad too.
I am not. I'm actually sheriff. I think you're the Falcon because you killed
no.
Cammy.
Hell no. Yeah, I killed her because she was a demolitionist. She gave me a
Yeah,
bomb
but why
just
are you
before I
claiming
killed
my
her.
role then?
I am sheriff. Exis is
You are
Falcon.
not.
He was coming after me.
I was not.
Mm-hmm.
I don't believe Excess. He said he had a boring role.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, that's true.
Exis, you gotta skip.
Well, I'm a vote Goosling. And I said
You're
I have a
skipping.
bowling role to throw people off.
This is not helping.
Oh.
Is it wrong for me to say I have a bowling
I
role to
thought you
throw
voted
people
me,
off?
Exis.
Oh, you have to
I'm
skip.
saying things don't add up, man.
All assholes.
Oh, excess.
Thank you for trusting me. I knew I can trust you guys.
Yeah, when I'm dead, you can.
Yeah.
I was just doing my task most of that round and letting the killer give out bombs and shit.
Bombs and shit.
That's quite.
Why the fuck did... Oh, I don't care about that person leaving.
Farmer Chameleon just left.
Hey. Come on, chameleon.
Oh
We
no.
come and go, we come and go.
Can't they just come?
Get it, goosling.
Ew.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck it, I'll be engineer. And then,
Hey.
hey.
What the hell? Okay, so Kemi's dead in kitchen. Water Lemon and Goosling, I think, were here earlier.
I was earlier. Not anymore.
I know
What
goosling's role.
happened?
Oh? You do?
I'm
Yeah.
shitty Astral.
How do you know my role?
Because you said it during draft real silent.
Oh yeah. I did. I thought nobody heard it.
I heard you.
Thank you. Oh, streak. How?
I didn't mean to kill Water Lemon. Oh, shit.
Well, why don't you go apologize?
But I'm sure. XS is still alive.
I already told you I'm shitty Astral.
I
I don't want to hear you say you're not still alive.
I just see bananaman outside doing raking leaves.
Raking the leaves, huh?
Yep.
Alright. Come, chameleon.
We come and go, we come and go.
Go.
Oh, so the duck is dead. We've got the pelican. I don't want to call meeting, but I'm calling meeting. I know we got a pelican.
Want to drop this on?
Alright. Good. Good thing I didn't kill no one side pelican. Alright, I just want to say this. I know I don't like meetings, but I do have a thing going on. And yeah, duck is dead because there ain't no red spot on radar when Sabo got called. So duck is dead. So we got pelican left.
Oh, all right. Well,
Oh, okay.
Duck's in the afterlife. If you can hear me, drop the chandelier.
All right, so we can go
Maybe
back
they
to
don't
regular
have
game
it.
unless we can go back to regular game unless we know who the Pelly is.
Stroll and I had to consult with the last person.
It's sad that Water Lemon dies so early. by the way.
Maybe Cammy's the duck.
Bananaman is being so
Maybe.
silent right now. Bananaman's being kind of sus being silent. He's never silent.
I'm on my phone. Leave me alone.
Shit. Hey, I think it's either Bananaman or Ember. If you're sure,
Yeah, I don't know who to shoot.
it's one of them. Because XS wants to get crushed by Chandelier, so that's all Canadian. Ember.
Ah, fuck it. Pull me out.
Yep. And
What was this, Ember?
Goosling was Canadian.
Oh.
She said it real silent in draft. She's
Oh.
like, I'm Canadian. I was like, okay. I was like, yep. I know what a Canadian is.
Oh fuck! I guess I'm not dying.
I'm surprised no one else heard that.
I think we should vote out Ace.
What? I'm the engineer. Streak see me in the leaf pile. I was like, the duck is either
I think
Ember
we
or
should vote
Bananaman.
out
He's like, I
Bananaman.
don't know who to shoot. I was like, it's one of them.
I think we should vote out Excess. I think we should vote out Streak. I think we should vote out anyone but me.
You can only skip.
Yeah, I will skip. Thank you.
Damn.
I had a feeling about it, Ember. That's why I
was
didn't
gonna
say I'm
shoot
Canadian
you,
too.
Goosling. I was gonna shoot you.
Watermelon,
sorry.
why didn't you drop the chandelier?
I couldn't unlock it. It wasn't a thing.
Yeah, if you see water pump go off, there is no chandelier.
Ah.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's either one or the other. You either get water pump or you get chandelier.
Hmm.
Here. Oh.
Well, I'm the last to pick my role again.
Do you think anyone's ever put coffee in hot sauce?
Oh my god,
What? I know coffee beer
You should
oil.
try it.
I know coffee beard oil. That's cartoons makes that, and I want to get some of that.
Oh, we have a
Is
lover.
player 5 a lover?
I'm the engineer again.
Oh. What is number 5?
I think player 5's a lover.
I don't know. That happened to me
Oh.
quite a bit. I'll pick a role. Bitch. Dodo, adventurer, engineer, serial killer, and a couple
Hi.
randoms. Hello. Don't call that light shallow because I know you're the only one
What are
here.
you doing?
I'm hiding.
I'm not a duck.
I'm the engineer.
Oh. Hi.
Is that Ember?
No, it's goosling. Very much.
No. Just water lemon.
Yes. Hi, Amber. me, Amber.
There was a morphling for a second. I thought...
I sounded like a Furby. Do you remember those?
Yeah.
We hungry.
Oh, I never had a Furby. Did you?
Yes, I did. I had a Furby.
Nice.
And now I
Nice. I
have
wish
a
I
new
had
one.
one.
Streaky. Streaky is my
Come on,
favorite.
come on, come on, come on, come on, come on,
Oh, hi,
Streak,
Furby.
chameleon.
say.
We
Streaky, say.
come and go, we
Yeah.
come and go.
Ew.
Okay, it
Here,
didn't work.
Furby.
Um, everybody, yeah,
Yeah.
rock your body.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, they're gonna kill her.
I found Banana working on the clock outside of the studio.
Excess, get out of here.
Was Ember there too?
I'm
Goosling.
not the killer. I'm adventurer.
I don't know about that one.
Oh, yeah.
I'm in the leaf
Damn.
pile. I'm in the leaf pile, and Streak just showed up with me and Lamont. Lamont and Goosling's out there.
Well, I was with Goosling and Water Lemon for a while, and
No.
And then you left.
No, you were with Goosling
Yes.
and Ember.
Yeah, true.
Mm.
And then you left, and then Furby came along.
Snowboat Street,
Yeah.
because I think he's the only one that is sus. If
I'm
Ace
wondering.
is really saying that he's
Engineer,
the
Limo.
engineer.
I jumped in. I even announced I
I
was
didn't mow
engineer.
you, Goosling.
Wow.
I voted for excess.
I announced I was
Ace.
engineer as well. Oh shit!
Ace.
There's Streak.
Did you vote me?
No, I voted excess.
Oh, okay.
Excess probably voted you.
Everybody.
Hmm.
Yeah, probably. Probably. If it...
Lagging.
Ace, who is it? Run!
I'm
Run!
thinking it's
They're
Streak.
coming!
I'm thinking it's Streak.
Oh no, let's go! Don't, Furby, no. No.
Oh, what the fuck?
Huh. Aw.
Damn it, Streak. I was gonna tell
Oh.
Lamont I think Goosling's dead. Go look.
Didn't believe me when I said it was Streak, did you?
Damn it.
No.
Oh.
No.
You have
Sorry.
a tendency to just lie really well. So it's hard to trust you.
Damn it.
Should have believed me.
I should have.
Hi, Glocks.
What's
Y'all
up,
gotta learn to
Hello.
trust me more.
You lie all the time,
No,
Excess.
it's not worth it.
Maybe you start telling the truth, we will trust you.
I lie all the time because I get ducks all the time. It ain't my fault.
Did I do that? Oh, shit.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
Ace, you farting on here?
Yeah. I had to pause the recording to do that.
Oh my god.
Nah, just let your viewers hear that shit.
I
No,
probably do got a couple
disgusting.
videos out there of me farting on it. Oh. Alright, lover, celebrity, or me, I'll be random. And I got fucking Goose. I'm Stenson's favorite role.
Canada.
Alright, I remember. Damn it. Oh. I hope they pop you like a pinata. Pop him. Oh, Canadian kill. Canadian kill.
Uh-huh.
I shot the Canadian.
Damn.
Uh-oh.
Glocks,
Unfortunate.
you've only been here for one game.
I know, and I'm already pulling the stonks.
Hmm.
Aw.
Oh,
Karma keeps
Aw.
joining and leaving.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to feel about that.
Mm-hmm.
Is karma a good thing or a bad thing, though? I don't remember what karma is. I'm gonna be honest.
karma
It can go
is
both ways.
a good thing.
What does it mean again? I forgot.
Typically, if somebody's being like bad or a piece of shit or whatever the case may be, karma is just like the way of getting back to them.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. They get
Well,
what they
good luck,
deserve.
guys.
Oh, karma, Glocks. Sorry.
Don't worry. Come back and bite you in the ass.
I'm sorry.
I said
Who
karma
was
will
being a
come back
piece of
and
shit?
bite you in the ass.
No, that they were asking
Yeah, I
what
know.
karma means, and I explained it.
Yeah, I know. That's why
Nobody's been a piece of shit today yet, to
nah,
the best of my knowledge.
that's why my example was
Oh,
my
I
thing
was
is
like, who are you getting karma?
damn it, actually I can talk too fucking much, but I'm trying to say something. What the fuck is going on?
What you gonna do? Vote me? I can only skip.
Oh shit. That is the first time I've ever seen that happen.
I
I'm
haven't
a
seen that.
little
Damn.
perplexed here.
Wait, what?
I'm a little perplexed here. How is the game still going?
I don't
Pelican.
So
know.
it's one skip and one vote.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
Pelican is still alive, so yeah, now it's the countdown for Pelly.
No, so I comprehend that, but there's one individual it should have ended.
Yeah, it should have started timer earlier,
Well,
but I don't know
I'm
how in the hell it got to the
very
meeting.
much confused.
Weird.
Unless Street called a meeting
Well, the
as
thing
soon as
is,
you ate
so
the Canadian.
okay, I know what happened. I think.
Street called a meeting as soon as you ate the Canadian.
Yep.
No, I
Oh
wasn't Canadian. I was Lover.
no, Bananaman
Oh.
was Canadian.
No, I didn't
Yeah,
eat
but it-
banana man.
I
ate
got
goosling.
shot right off the bat
Yeah.
by Glocks.
I know.
That
There
was
you are, Baron.
weird. Hi, Baron.
Hello. Having so many
Yeah, that
fucking
was
issues.
weird. I don't.
I'm sorry, Baron.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, I was having issues trying to reconnect.